Capacity grade new generation of 127mm shaftless large paper bin. Larger printing width, label as big or small as you like. Infinitely adjustable paper limiter, automatic center clamping when placing paper. Innovative structural design, support large and small reels. The first label is automatically rolled back, don't waste a single piece of paper. 150mm, that's high-speed printing, easily cope with order peaks. Imported high-quality print head, print details more finely. Support rear feeding paper, can print labels in large quantities. Mobile phone, a computer multi-terminal, support rich templates, can be used with one click. Added independent function buttons, more convenient operation. Can be used in all walks of life.